Welcome back to uknowva's API course. In this video, let's move to Instance B and see how to create, configure, and test a webhook using our attendance record example. Instance B. Creating the webhook. To configure a webhook, proceed to Instance B. Start by navigating to the left navigation panel and selecting the Webhooks menu. Once you're on the Webhooks page, click on the Add button to create a new webhook. Begin by entering a name, such as Single Attendance Push Webhook. In the Webhook Table field, select HRM Attendance. Next, enter a suitable description, and then choose the webhook event. In this case, we'll select Insert, since we want the webhook to trigger when a new attendance record is added. For the webhook view, select User's Master Data. Then in the Webhook View Join Conditions field, map user ID with ID. Next, move to the webhook URL field and enter the API endpoint from Instance A. You can refer to the attendance management APIs in the documentation to learn how to correctly format this URL. Now set the webhook method to post. In the webhook header param, enter authorization as the key and paste the API token you generated earlier from Instance A as the value. In the webhook body section, start entering the key value pairs required. For example, in the first field, enter biometric code as the key and select user ID as the value. In the next field, enter log date as the key and select start time as the value. Once everything is filled in, make sure the publish toggle is set to yes, and then click Save. Testing the webhook. Now let's test it. Go to the Attendance Report submenu from the Team menu in Instance B. A new page will open, showing attendance reports of your team members. Locate the employee whose attendance you want to add by clicking on the funnel icon, entering their name, and pressing Search. Once the employee is located, click on the specific date you want to update. A pop-up will open. Add the attendance details and click Save. Now, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page, select uknowva Configuration, and scroll down the Global Configuration page. Locate the Execute cron section and click here to run uknowva cron manually. Once the cron is complete, let's move to the employee's instance, which we'll call Instance C. Here, open the employee's attendance page. Refresh the page and click on the Sync Attendance button. You'll now see that the attendance we added in Instance A has been successfully pushed and reflected in Instance C in real time, thanks to the webhook setup through Instance B. That's it. You now know how to create and configure a webhook in uknowva Hrms, and test it with a practical example of pushing a single attendance record between two instances. Thank you for watching.